Well, welcome to the Goat Shed. Today is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. And we're going to bring you a little video today of a fault we've found in a Gottlieb bonus stepper. Now this can be a common fault, but this one's particularly bad. It's on the wiper plate that contacts the brass rivets. Now, as always, we do these videos to keep you informed of how to repair your machines. But we would greatly appreciate that you subscribe to our channel and gives us the thumbs up. This will of course encourage us to keep making these videos. And we hope that YouTube leaves these particular pinball repair videos on for many years so that other people can get a benefit and advantages out of such videos. So here you go. We have the plate off the bonus stepper. The first thing you'll notice is how that pin is jammed down. Now the main reason that's jammed down is because on the back side of it, it will push that in, and now it's okay, but on the back side of it what happens is see the wire, that's wire, there's no flexibility in those wires, none whatsoever. So when we push one pin down, they both go down, and it's the same on both sides, same on this side as well. Now that's not supposed to happen, they're supposed to go down individually, and the reason is because of that stiff wire someone's put on. Now the wire should be flexible, it should be braided. We've actually got the right stuff here from PBR that we've been using that a little while now. So what we're going to do, we're going to unsolder the whole 4 of those. We'll take the snowshoe contact pins out. The springs don't seem too bad. We'll clean the inside of the holes where they go through, and then we'll put it back together and we'll show you what a difference makes. Now the problem with this is it's potentially been skipping bonuses on the countdown. Once we do this, that would be 3 parts of the way to fixing it up. So let's get on and show you our achievements. Okay, so we've desoldered the old wire off, removed the snowshoes, as some people like to call them, contact pins, whatever, and now we just like to get a file and smooth them down, just any rough solder edges that might be on there. Just a few strokes up and down and cleans them out. You do it as you like, that's how we do it. The other thing that we've done is clean the holes out. I like to get the spring hook in the grooves and give them a bit of a ream. I've already done these. And break off the end of a Q-tip. Down there with a bit of alcohol on it. That's roughly the right size, it's not perfect. And then what I like to do, I like to actually get a snowshoe, put it in, turn it up, and what you really want is pretty much for that to fall out like that did, and once they're under spring tension you're going to be okay. This is the braid we use from PBR. You buy that by the metre or something, I think, or the foot probably in the US, and we've got a reasonable amount of that. That keeps us busy. So we're going to solder these back in now, and then the product will be finished. So we're halfway there, one side's done. Now as you can see they're sitting quite even, so if I push one down now, the other one doesn't move, and that's what you want. There's the other side. Now that braid is a little bit longer probably than what the factory would have done, but also remember, and I forgot to mention this, there's a piece of wire that goes between the 2 points. Make sure that's there, because if that wire breaks off, you've still got a connection between there and there. It's on both sides. There it is there on that side. So once we do this side, the job will be completed. It's a little fiddly, but it's certainly well worth doing. Right, there's the completed job. I mean, I guess that took roughly 20 minutes, if it was that, to do. So we'll reinstall that back in the machine now and test it and show you what happens. Okay, plate back on, rivets lined up. So now we'll test our theory and see if it works. And I'm pretty sure that we'll find the bonuses we'll be paying now. Rightio, here we go. So, knock all those targets down, getting those bonus lights up. Okay, so there we go, we've got the actual 15,000 bonus. So what do we got there? We should have 25,000. Let's drain that ball. Beautiful. So that completes that job. Now, it is important that those plates be repaired as we just illustrated. So this machine will be almost ready to go now. We've had to put a flipper kit in it. Well, 1.5 flipper kits because you've got the single little flipper up there. We've serviced the drop targets. Haven't had to replace any of those. Just got to do a few little things. There's a couple of lamp sockets need changing, and this Joker poker will be ready to go. It's not in too bad a condition from a 1978 machine. As you can see, the drop targets are reasonably good. Playfield's not too bad on this one.
Got to adjust the flippers.
Got to adjust the flippers. You never get. We always do that sort of when we get the playfield in. That one won't work real good, will it? So we hope this has been another informative video for you on pinball machine servicing and repairs. And this has been another Goat Shed presentation.